In this video, we'll see how we can use DocuSign to send contracts, purchase and assignment right from Podio to seller and buyer, and can mark a deal completed. Firstly, we will click on the Seller Leads app in the Podio and select a specific seller lead on which we want to act. Here, all the details about the lead are displayed. Click on Actions to create an offer. Once the seller has agreed to sell the property, we need to create an offer and send a purchase contract to the seller. The offer will be generated by clicking here. It is showing here that a new offer has been created. Now we will take a look at the offer we created by clicking here. Now we have to fill in the fields of the desired contract. Here you can see empty fields in the Validation Errors section. To generate a contract, we have to remove these by putting in the values regarding the specific error. By putting some values in the sections one by one, you will see that the errors are gone. So once the seller has agreed to sell the property, we need to create an offer and send a purchase contract to the seller. So here we need to add the information for the realtor's company, which is the company making a deal between the seller and buyer. Now to generate the contract, we will go to the offers. And by clicking here, the contract will be generated. Now take a look at the generated contract. This PDF is actually generated to take a look at the fields we have added and to preview it whether the data is mapped accurately or not. In this document, you can see the name of the buyer, the name of the seller, the subject of the property, the sales price, and all the information that is necessary. In order to send the contract, click on the link shown here. Here, the notification shows that the document has been sent successfully. The document is displayed in this form. Here you can see that all the fields have been successfully mapped in the document from Podio. Here this contract is first sent to the seller, and when the seller has signed it, the contract is then automatically sent to the buyer. When we are sending a purchase contract, the buyer is the company, so the contract for the buyer will be sent to the company email address. We will adopt a signature here. After signing the contract, click here to finish. Here it shows that the document is signed successfully. Now you can see the completed document that is signed by the seller. We will open the desired mail, and the buyer will sign the document to complete the process. Click here to finish, and the process will be completed. Now we will take a look at the complete document that is signed by both the buyer and the seller. Now we will go to the Podio. As the purchase contract is completed, we need to find and send the assignment contract to the buyer to make a deal closed. Now click here to create a deal. The deal has been created. Take a look at the generated deal. From here, we will select the title of the company, purchase price, and other fields that are required, just like we have done previously in this video. Now neither field is empty, and we can generate a contract. To generate a contract, click here. Now click here to view the assignment agreement. And now the contract has been sent successfully, similarly as it was sent to the seller. Click here to review the document that has been sent to the buyer. In the case of an assignment contract, this will be firstly sent to the assigner, which actually will be the realtor's company email address. After the assigner has signed the document, take a look at the document. This document has now reached the actual buyer, and the buyer is now signing the documents and completing the requirements to finish the process. The contract is now successfully completed. The completed contract is displayed in this form. It contains all the information we entered. If you need a DocuSign integration with Podio, then reach out to Patronecs for setting it up for you.